Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Grubhub. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a gift card as a present from someone, and you want to go ahead and redeem that gift card on Grubhub. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's first access the Grubhub app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, we want to click on Account. Next, click on Gift Cards, and then click on Redeem a Gift Card. So from here, you need to enter your 17-character gift card code, and there you have it. Once you enter that code, it's going to add the balance to your account, which is automatically going to be applied to your future orders. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem a gift card on Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.